Welcome to Raaonline. Today's topic is HIV in pregnancy. It's different now. Incidence of HIV. Globally, HIV-related illnesses remain the leading cause of death among women of reproductive age. An estimated 1.3 million births occur worldwide in women with HIV in 2020, and approximately 6,000 women acquire HIV every week. Nationally, in 2020, 20,93,000 pregnant women required antiretroviral treatment to prevent maternal-to-child transmission. From 2010 to 2020, there was 55% decline in new HIV infections, particularly because of the use of antiretroviral therapy. Now, maternal-to-child transmission is our key commitment. Maternal-to-child transmission rate has declined from 42% to 27.4%. Though statistics show progress on the decrease in maternal-to-child transmission, we are still far from target. Still, maternal-to-child transmission rate, or the MTCT rate, is on the higher side of the target, which is around 5%. Collectively, these numbers demonstrate a need to reduce the morbidity and mortality associated with HIV, prevent new infections. We have to improve the health and safety of people of childbearing potential and those people who are at a risk for HIV. Now, coming to the burden of HIV in India, it is the third highest burden in the world and it has a declining trend. Prevalence of HIV in the year 2019 was 0.22%, ranging from 0.175 to 0.29, and highest adult HIV prevalence is found in the states of Mizoram, 2.32%, Nagaland 1.4%, and Manipur 1.18%. Now, Tamil Nadu, among other states, has a prevalence higher than the national average, the Tamil Nadu average being 0.23%. Now, when we come to prevention of parent-to-child transmission need in India and Tamil Nadu, we realize that the annual estimated pregnant women requiring prevention of parent-to-child services is 20,520. And these are catered by the institutional deliveries in Tamil Nadu, in the public sector or the government sector being 70%, and in the private sector the deliveries being 30%. Now, annual estimated pregnancies in Tamil Nadu include 11,550, out of which almost not complete get registered, and annual estimated positive pregnant women with HIV is 850. And contribution of Tamil Nadu state to national estimate is around 4.14% of HIV infected women who are pregnant. And this is from the NACO Facts and Figures India HIV Estimation 2019 report. Now, the National AIDS Response was initiated by the Government of India in 1992 with the launch of first phase of the National AIDS and STD Control Program. Since then, 4 phases of National AIDS and STD Control Program have been successfully completed. The Phase 4 of the NACP was concluded in March 31, 2021. So, in the first phase, there were initial interventions. This was from 94 to 99. In the second phase, from 99 to 2006, there was decentralization of services to states. In the third phase, from 2007 to 2012, there was a massive scale-up of these services with quality assurance mechanism, and this led to more than 50% reduction in new infections. And in the fourth phase of NACP, which started in 2012 till 2017, there was a focus on emerging vulnerabilities, there was a balance with growing treatment needs, and there was quality assurance going on. Now, this is a program which will right now end by 2030, and we achieve to control the parent-to-child transmission by them completely. Now, coming to the Phase 5 of the National AIDS Control Program, the National AIDS and STD Control Program, that is called as NACP, Phase 5, is a central sector scheme fully funded by Government of India with an outlay of 15,471 crores, and the NACP Phase 5 will take the national AIDS and STD response till financial year 2025-26 towards the attainment of the United Nations Sustainable Development Goal 3.3 of the ending the HIV and AIDS epidemic as a public health threat by 2030 through a comprehensive package of prevention, detection and treatment services. Now, this phase 5 builds up upon the game changer initiatives of HIV/AIDS Prevention and Control Act of 2017. So, what are these initiatives? Test and treat policy, universal viral load testing policy, Mission Sampark, community-based screening of HIV, transition of dolutegravir-based treatment regimens, and introduce newer strategies consolidating and augmenting the gains. Now, this includes setting up of Sampoorna Suraksha Kendras, that is SSK, for providing services through a single window model for those at risk for HIV and STI, covering prevention, test, treat, care continuum. Now, it includes a holistic set of services customized as per client's need, with strong linkages and referrals within and outside the health system. Now, this report was included in the government approval of continuation of NACP Phase 5 programs. Now, coming to the SSS implementation, that is Sampoorna Suraksha Scheme implementation, India is committed to ending HIV as a public health threat by 2030. So, we have targeted interventions, we have immersion learning models, and we have also the ICTC and DSR remodeling. Holistic set of essential services is being provided, and people-centric and one-stop window for antiretroviral treatment is being provided. And there is also a helpline 1097 number, which is rebranding. And then we also have exercise and facelift for this NACO program. Now, Sampoorna Suraksha strategy, or the SSS strategy, has got released in February 2022 by the NACO, or the National AIDS Control Organization of the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India.